In this video, I'll be showing you how you can enter Superscript on Microsoft Word. Very simple and easy. So let's say you're writing some math equation and you need to write raise the power 2 or raise the power 3. I'm going to show you guys how to do that on Microsoft Word. So let's say I'm trying to enter something like this. Plus 10 and then 10 raised the power 2 or 10 cube, 10 raised the power 3. So what I need to do is, whilst I'm typing, I come here, home tab or home ribbon, and then you can see this here, Superscript 2 on top. I press that, you see my cursor has moved on top. Now I press my 3 for the cube, 2 for the square. So that's it on how you can enter Superscript on Microsoft Word. If you are new here, after you press enter, you need to unselect it and then you move to your other stuff. Let's say plus 44 and you continue. So that's it on how you can enter Superscript on Microsoft Word. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. So that's it for the video. Peace.